Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to check your Fssai license application status online. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. First friends, you open Google Chrome and writing here FOSCUS Fssai. Click here. Click here. Scroll down. Click here track application. And friends, this interface open ready. So friends, this interface open ready. Check your receipt. You will find a reference number on receipt. And that reference number you writing here. And downside have captcha. So solve this captcha and click to submit. So friends, you see here my Fssai license is still in processing. So this is just normal. It usually take 5 to 7 days. So friends, you also can very easily check your Fssai license status online. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.